Hi, dear friends, this is our automatic nylon zipper cutting and slider mounting machine with lever hand. The core function of this machine is, it can solve the old problem of teeth misplacement with its new feeding device and mounting structure. Why do we recommend this machine for you? Traditionally, we used simple cutting machine to cut the zipper one by one according to required size, and mount the slider by hand. The output is 8,000 pieces for one person per day. Currently, we can cut and mount the zipper with one machine only. The output is 2,500 pieces per hour. One person can look after 2 or 3 machines, so the total output for one person is 50,000 to 70,000 pieces per day. The current output is 20 times to 28 times of the traditional output. This machine is used for producing zippers for bags, luggage and beddings. If you are interested in our machine, please feel free to contact us by email, sales@qlqcompany.com, or WeChat or WhatsApp in the picture.